Hey guys, so I'm right here at Big Lots and they have a lot of storage bins and I absolutely love it, as well as woven bins, a lot of little organizing stuff, which I'm shopping and looking for clients. So yeah, and so you don't necessarily have to go to any expensive stores or anything like that in order to get your organizing baskets. You can go to Big Lots, you can go to Family Dollar, you don't necessarily have to break the bank, is what I'm saying, just to be organized. And there are so many things that you can actually put inside of your bin. So, yep, this is me. This is what I do.